Hello, welcome to this moment, the present, this beautiful nature, and it is my conscious walking, step by step awareness in the process, not trying to reach somewhere in particular, but just being in flow with the flow, becoming one with the river or becoming river itself, so not resisting the flow. So these are just words when you are in the present, in this moment, observing. It is a beautiful meditation practice. Just walk in nature with total awareness. Otherwise we miss the present. We walk every day, but we are not aware of a lot of thing or the life itself that is happening in every moment, in every plant, breeze. Means these things we don't consider, we don't give importance to the present. We try to reach somewhere, some in the distant future. Then I will be so happy when I reach my destination, reach my house. But because it is a mind habit, continuous mind habit, mind is overpowering. And even if you reach your house, suppose after half an hour I reach, but then the mind keeps on moving because it become a habit. And once you are inside your house, then the mind sets some different goal. And even in your house, you don't feel like you are at home. The mind is ready with some new target, new goals, and again we miss the moment, the present. So start with this moment, and in nature it is beautiful, means it helps you. The nature is in the present. We can sense, look at this greenery, the present, we can sense easily when we are, but we have to be alert for this. Yeah, these trees, every tree has a distinct, specific presence. They are so different from each other. Nature is like it is expressing in different forms. Nature doesn't want to make you like someone else. That's why you are so unique. Everyone is so different, yet the life is one underneath the same life, expressing in you, in me, but same life, different expression. Even the awakened ones are so different. A Jesus is so different, a Buddha is so different from each other, a Krishna is so unique, a Lao Tzu is so different. Even the awakened one are like, yes, you experience divinity, presence, stillness in them, but their expressions are so different, so unique. Even these trees are, they are same tree, but everyone is so unique. And if we just have some time, to a minute or a few seconds, to just feel the tree, the being of tree, the presence of tree, we can sense stillness, we can sense, it is like, it is not a kind of out of body experience, but it is a wholeness, a experience beyond your body. It is something like something is beyond this body also. The life is beyond this body also, and you can literally sense the life in tree, the presence. Ah, it is amazing. Means the words cannot describe, cannot add to their presence, to their beauty. It is just, we can give some name, that's it. But we cannot explain the life. Even if we try, it becomes secondary. Ah, jungle. So I always, or it is a very known fact that the nature walk is liberating. It is healing. Walking in nature is healing itself. But the thing is, you are one with this moment. You are not going ahead. I am here in this step by step. I'm here, and in this moment I'm not trying to reach somewhere. That is secondary. This is, this step, this second is the key to unlock to the door of divine, of whole, because whole is one, and you can sense whole is one only in the present. This whole, like one body, this whole is one body. The earth, like earth is one, and different trees from the same earth. So the whole is one. The all the planets, all the stars, human body, anybody, they are whole, and underneath, life is one. Like in your body, life is one, and different body parts, but one life. So we can sense one life, and it is amazing feeling. It is liberating. It is richness itself. It is like free of cost. You feel whole, and as a ego or as a mind, we want to add to our, we get identified as a body, and then I want to add things to myself, add name, fame, and this and that, and property, and that is fine, miss. I'm not against. But here and now, in this moment, I feel like I am this whole. I am everything. There is, miss, what can I add? I am everything. It is like a drop of ocean become one with ocean, become ocean itself. So in this moment, it is my conscious practice to be here and now, and I feel that I am this whole, I am this nature, and I can sense, you can sense the life in these trees, in small plants, even stones. Everything is so valuable, and you feel connection, you feel a touch, a deep connection for them, for everything, because the life is one underneath same life. It is just the mind we feel that I'm a different body. Not only that, religiously we feel that I'm a different soul. We feel ourselves as higher as a human. So it is all a mind ego trip, is a illusion. And because of that duality, that separateness, that sense of being something bigger, higher, we don't feel connectedness or life in these stones, in these plants, in these trees, in these mountains, this valley, this empty sky. Everything is alive, everything is conscious. It is just from the eyes we see things, so we feel that it is just a surface or it is just an object, a material, but it is alive. Yeah, a Buddha is awakened. He knows, and as human being, we are unaware. We have knowledge, but we have not. There is something higher that is knowing. We have not known the knowing, just the knowledge. So this is like knowledge. You can write a whole book on this present moment, on this nature, but just from knowledge we don't sense the life, the oneness, the feeling of vastness beyond just the human body. We don't sense it. For that we have to go beyond knowledge, the knower of knowledge, the knowing itself. And this peace, it is not a dead peace, means sometime or many time from the mind we cannot sense peace. The peace is alive, the nothingness, the peace is very lively, alive peace. These are words, liberation, but literally liberation or freedom can be sensed in the present. Nature walk is a beautiful tool. It is nature, natural, and it is, if you are lucky, if you are nearby nature, it's supposed to be free of cost, but we have destroyed the ecosystem. But from the perspective of whole nature, it is given in abundance and it is free of cost. The fresh air, water, the fresh breeze, cool, everything is given abundantly. Okay, so I was talking about peace. So this peace is alive peace. Many times, if you look at sky, we sense that it is nothing, nothing. But if we drop that surface, just on the surface I'm watching sky, but if we go deeper, then we sense this peace, this nothingness is alive. It is conscious. And of course there is no form, because we see only forms, so that we can label it or we can understand it. We can write a book, but this is conscious. Everything is conscious. Even the nothingness space is conscious. These trees are conscious. When we say trees are conscious, we can sense they are conscious in some forms: branches, leaves, fruits, flowers, roots. So, but the sky, the emptiness, it is conscious, just conscious, pure conscious. And it is same inside us, this human body. The body is, so we feel we are alive, but irrespective of body, irrespective of form, you are always alive. And this life is beyond birth and death. The forms are in the range or in the cycle of birth and death, but the life is beyond, and irrespective of form, the life is beyond any form or image, and the life is who I am. I am is one. You or me, or a Buddha, a Jesus, a Krishna, a Shiva, a Lao Tzu. Life is one. I'm just giving names, so different forms, but we get identified with the form. Okay, then it all become religious thing. But life is one, and beyond form, we meet at the center. Means we are one. Beyond form, I am, you are one and same. This space is one. On the surface, the trees may look different. The body, the forms may look different. Jesus, a Buddha, Krishna may look totally different. But the life is one. Underneath, same life. So we have to experience it ourselves. It is not just for the sake of giving some story, Krishna, Buddha, and I just praise them and that's it. No, I'm talking about the life which is who you are, and you have to sense it. Then it is fruitful, then it is meaningful, then it is beyond knowledge, it becomes knowing. Yes. And this moment of presence, you get released from the past and future, the boundaries, the box identity. And when you are one with that life, and from that life, then you feel love, connection for Buddha, Krishna, Jesus. You don't feel that they are like, oh, I belong to only Christianity or Buddhism, Hinduism. All the walls dissolve. All the boundaries disappear. All is one. All is one. You never lose anything. You never gain anything. The whole, it is whole. What to add? What is at loss? What to add means it is already whole. On the surface it is whole, and on the depth it is life, unmanifested life. Both are complete in this moment. So I'm moving from moment to moment, wholeness to wholeness, life to life. Yeah, there are birth and death, but but life moves, means I'm moving from life to life. Even I move from birth to death, death to birth, rebirth. But these are just on the surface. Actually, I'm moving from life to life to life to life to life. But the question is of just of being aware, feeling alive. That's it. Feeling life beyond any form or in all forms, feeling life, knowing life, not just knowledge. Then you are moving from life to life. Beautiful. So one more thing I want to say, that it is just kind of 20-minute walk. Now I'm like climbing a little bit. So I feel so good. 20 minutes, I feel so good. It is my conscious practice to be in this flow, in this moment to moment, in this conscious walk, nature walk. So it liberates you, it makes you whole. Vastness. I may be repeating now, but it helps you. Conscious walk. Do anything, everything. It may be any act, but right now it is walking, so let it be just walking. So try it. But we always walk. People always walk. So just add alertness, awareness to your walk. You don't have to do something separate work or separate something you're doing something different. It can be for many people life, a regular walk from village to market, or in the city it may not be so. Then you can take some time and go for a conscious walk, not just walk, conscious walk. Now we are back to road, and then you carry this presence in your life, this wholeness, this vastness to your life, to your house, to your family member, loved ones, everyone, anyone. Carry this presence. They need it. Actually, they need presence. That's it. It may be in different forms. We say that we need this and that, but ultimately we need awareness, we need fulfillment, we need acceptance, we need love, we need peace, we need joy, bliss, we need a life, eternity. And because why we need it, it is same for you and me. We need this same thing, and these are not thing. So why we are same? Because we are same. The deep search, at the deep level of search, we are one, we are same. So it's beautiful then. this presence will light touch everything in your surrounding, and it is by own, it is overflowing energy. Means you don't have to do it as effort, it happens by its own, like a sun. Means it is, or a flower, the fragrance are spreading by its own effortlessly. Just the presence is enough. Back to road. Oh yes, beautiful. So thank you for this conscious walk with me, and now I'm back to my house and carrying this presence there also. Great time, a fruitful time when we are beyond time. Thank you guys.